Hello and welcome to Axehead. It's quite a while since I last made a video here, but found a knife here. I don't think that is actually a brand, but it's a Spitfire pocket knife. Fostex Garments, maybe? Doesn't matter. The knife matters. So it's a RAF folding knife. Just a funny thing to put on, I guess. Why can't I get it open this time? There we go. I paid 100 for this. Okay, these are really irritating to get open, and I don't want to cut myself doing it, so we're taking these first and the blades afterwards. There we go. Can opener, 2 knife blades, flat screwdriver, and bottle opener. Just, you know, a normal, pretty much standard multi-functional pocket knife. This thingy, that one is probably not easy to open either. For sewing, and of course tweezers and toothpick. So, you know, just a cheap little knife, but it's gonna do what it's supposed to. But I have to use it a bit to make this a little easier. Let me just find a piece of paper. And we will try to see. And it's actually pretty nice sharp. What about the small one then? Equally sharp. So it's definitely sharp. Yeah, I think it's a funny little thing, and definitely gonna use this a bit. Alright, hope you enjoyed this quick little video. Thanks for watching, and keep collecting knives.